Hello everyone, this video is how to practice mindfulness. So mindfulness is simply undistracted attention. Therefore, the way we practice mindfulness is by sharpening up our attention. That way it improves our focus and it leads towards our ultimate goal of being undistracted. So the simplest way to practice mindfulness is by focusing on the breath. And so I'm going to lead us in a 2-minute breath exercise, which is the basics to a 2-minute mindfulness meditation. So begin by sitting in a comfortable chair and straighten out your back and close your eyes and take a deep breath. Now bring all of your attention to your breath and focus on where you can feel the breath. So can you feel the breath on the tip of your nose or in your stomach or chest? And try to follow the breath as soon as you feel it coming in, and then follow it completely to the end of your exhale. And as your mind starts to wander and questions start to pop into your head and distractions, simply acknowledge them and bring your attention right back to your breath. Sometimes it helps to count while you're breathing, so you count 1 on the inhale, 1 on the exhale, 2 on the inhale, 2 on the exhale. And if you lose track of when you're counting, just simply start over again. Okay, that is a basic mindfulness practice where we are sharpening up our attention on the breath. Thanks.